Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have started a huge project. It's a 5-bedroom house remodel, complete top to bottom. Everything must go: floors, walls, ceiling joists, everything, electrical. It's all got to go. So these are the cabinets right now, and there's the baseboards that we already kicked out. So we put them through the planer. There's no need to waste them. It's just ridiculous to waste that good material. That's a bookshelf that's gonna come down. All the baseboards over there. Sorry about the mess. We just got over here. We took over this job from someone else. So you know, the first thing we did was that the molding and the fixed the water leaks in the drain so we could have water in here. So it's a huge house. The whole kitchen has to be redone. All the doors, all the walls, everything. So this is a pantry right here. Excuse me. That's the pantry, which we are gonna redo. So we're gonna walk into the bathroom. As you can see, all the bathrooms gotta go, all the fixtures, all these walls, all up there. It's an old house, but it's a beautiful colonial. So we're gonna take all these doors off. We'll go in the basement in a minute. This is the hallway. We're gonna take this out of here, close this up, make the wall different. This is a dark room, as we like to call it. It's all dark and stars, and all these cabinets right here, they gotta go. We're gonna actually put a real closet in here. All this popcorn ceiling's gotta go. So this is the front. Now we're gonna go upstairs. Sorry if it's a little bit dark. We don't have the electric working right now up here, but we will. So this is another room. So like I said, we took over from another contractor, and that's all the tools he had here. That's it. That's all he had to do this big renovation. You know, sometimes people make up stories and they get caught. And when they get caught, they're out. So that's why truthful is the best policy. This is another walk-in closet that we're gonna go ahead and fix. This is another room. We have another room over here. So the doors we're gonna take out, fix all of this. So let's go into another room. We're gonna have to fix these heating coils, put new ones in, fix these shelves, fix these walls. So all of this has to go. All that electric right there, all these old outlets. The window, we're gonna have to rip the window out, put a new window in. And the floors, all the floors gotta go. So let's go down to the basement. It's got a beautiful high ceiling in the staircase, and it's got a beautiful wide staircase, which is absolutely gorgeous. So let's go down to the basement. But the stairs are wrong, so we're gonna have to fix those too. So we're gonna go down into the basement right now. And this is the basement. Now, this is where it gets tricky, because as we walk down these stairs, I'm 6'2" and I'm already hidden, so I have to bend down. So this is the basement, which all has to be redone. New floor. So all of this stuff has to be redone. It's a big mess down in the basement, but it's going to be really beautiful once we get it done. We have new freeze blocking right here. So that's all freeze block, which is very thick insulation basically. So all of this has to be redone, all the floor joists. It's a big job, guys. I hope you guys will tag along for this huge project, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching it. So we're gonna get to work right now. This is what the freeze barrier looks like. So it's Hughes insulation wrapped, but this all has to be ripped out and replaced. And then we have to fix this area as well. But as you see, the staircase is like for like a 5'1" person. So I have to basically get on my hands and knees to walk up the stairs. So this is what we're doing, guys. So let's get to ripping out all this stuff and we'll be good to go. We're gonna go ahead and we took off the molding that they had for molding, and right now we're not gonna waste material. So we're gonna put this through the planer. We're gonna take off about a 1/16 of an inch, or maybe 1/8 of an inch, just so we get the paint removed, and then we're gonna make all brand new molding out of this. Yeah, I'm using a chainsaw helmet because I can't find my earmuffs. But as you can see, it's a brand new board now, and we can use this for a lot of things. So, all right, so we got that done. So now we'll move on to the next section. Yeah. That one, because that's nice pine. Nothing holding this thing, bro. Nothing. Some more nice. Looks like yellow pine to me, but I could be wrong. Right across, do it the right way. They just want to block it. It's not the way you do things. It's not the way I do things. If I'm going to take on a project, it's going to be 100% or nothing at all. Alright. So we got a lot of yellow pine right there. Saw that? Almost clocked me right in my face. That would have been priceless. Look, mold. Mold. God, this mold is so bad. Okay, we got all the wood out. We got all the wood out. And we got some molding right here we gotta pop. I tell you something, for 100 years old, that wood is still solid. They don't make things the way they used to. All this we can save. Ring shank nails, man. We're gonna have to get some mess. They got like 40 nails in this thing, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Take a picture of that. That's how many nails they had in one board. We're gonna start busting out these cabinets. We're gonna get all the other molding off, and then gut the whole kitchen, and then we'll move to the next room. So let's get this started.